This parrot repeated the phrase, "I'm not going to hurt you," thus scaring his owner. But then he tried to attack the woman at the end of the video. People say it's the trauma of being abused by previous owners. What do you think about this?
You're just so strong. You're so strong.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to bite me.
No, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh.
Oh, man.
You're so sweet. No, baby.
What's your problem, darling?
Nothing. I love you. I just said,
Oh,
I think we just need some time before we do that, okay? See, that's
come here.
why.
What's the matter?
I still think you're gonna bite me.
No.
I'm sorry.
What's
Yeah,
that?
see? Hey! That's why. See? You scared me.
Stop that.
You tried to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.